Yeah, this is the second morning I've gotten up before dawn. Kind of see in the background. I've been here for like 15 minutes trying to get eaten alive, but trying to get the car packed up and ready to go. I think I slept about an hour too late though. Oh well. Alright, I think I'm in Montana now. I'm at some hydrogen gas, sulfide, whatever area, Amoco petroleum plant. And I actually get to see the sunrise over some mountains anyway. And I guess I'm going to go down there. I'm not sure what road this is. Alright, I just stopped and asked for directions. The only other person I saw out here. And he says I was in the right place. I haven't hit the border yet. I'm still in Wyoming. So Montana's just up around the corner here. So, and I got some sunrise over. Man, the stench is unbelievable. This is, there's my welcome sign in Montana. He says it's about 15 miles of this gravel road. Get to an electrical substation and turn left. Well, it's just loose gravel. Kind of cruising along, floating on the sandy surface. Can't make this up, people. Belfry, home of the bats. Belfry.